What's up, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood integrated science teacher. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do stuff with some images, which is pretty cool. So we've done text and we've been able to see that, and you're probably like, oh, that's kind of neat, but what else can I do? You can do pictures on here too, which is super neat. So I'm going to give you kind of the basics. There's more technical things that happen as we go farther, but for right now, I'm going to do the basics for it. So step one is we need to find an image. So here's an image of my family. You can decide to Google image anything you want, obviously school appropriate, or you can find a personal image on any of the maybe social media sites that you have images on, or on your phone. You can figure out how to get that on there, and then we can move on from there. So once you have your image, I'm going to simply right click and copy my image, and then I'm going to go back to CorelDraw with my 6x6, and I'm going to right click and paste it. Now, depending on how big your image is, it might fill it. Just simply zoom out, and now you can kind of resize it. So remember, you're going to go to those black spots and you're going to resize it so it fits. Now, helpful tip on here. Let's say I have an image, but I don't want all of it. So I just want my family on here. You can crop these images, because what I don't want you to do is to stretch this out and say like, oh, I got all of it in there. See how it's kind of stretched? That doesn't really look good. So if you don't care and you just want to fill your image, go by the corners, because then it'll scale it up and still keep the image integrity so it doesn't look all weird. But if you want to get rid of some stuff and you say, I only want my family in there, I can crop this. So I'm going to use my crop tool right here, click, and then I'm going to just make a selection window around where I want. In my case, I'm going to do my family here. Now, because I have a 6x6 square, I want to make this the selection window more square than anything else, so I know it's going to fit. Once I have my window, I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to do that. Now, I need to make sure that I select my cursor again so I can move it, because if I don't, and I try moving this image now or resizing, it's going to make another crop window. Don't worry, nothing's going to happen if you just hit escape. Now you're out. So now you just need to make sure you hit your cursor, and now I can move it. Okay, so sometimes that makes a little bit. So don't freak out if you get another selection window. You can simply just escape out of it. Now I have my piece here. Now I need to desaturate it, which means turn it from color to black and white. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go to my effects tab. I'm going to go to adjust and go all the way down to where it says desaturate. Once I click that, I got grayscale, and that's how you get started with your image. Now you can simply just save, go through the process of getting it on Lenny, and print out your cool image. Have fun, and we'll see you on the next video.